Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth speaker to our Oppo phone. Guys you have connected guys any Bluetooth speaker device and guys you want to forget this device. You don't want to use the device. So then how can you forget? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then we will on our phone setting to forget our Bluetooth speaker. Then guys click on your Bluetooth setting and guys which speaker guys you have connected guys you want to forget. So friends how can you forget guys? You can see this icon right side guys, click here. Friends you can see this device name setting. So friends you want to change your Bluetooth device name guys, you can change from here. I will not change guys, I want to forget. So guys click on unpair option to forget the guys this speaker will forget to your phone. Then guys you can see speaker will not connect guys, means you cannot connect this speaker. You want to connect guys, you will have to turn off and you will have to turn on again. So like that guys you can forget your Bluetooth speaker device to your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye, and before going please go and like the video.